Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my almost everyday hairstyle, which is just like this little middle part, slick back kind of look. And then I'm also showing you how I got this little makeup look, so if you want to see how I did this, then just keep watching. Hi guys, so in today's little video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm just going to show you guys how I get my like little slick down behind the ears hairstyle, and then I'm going to be doing a makeup look. I don't know what makeup look I'm gonna do yet, but we'll figure that out in a little bit. Okay, first of all, this is a necessity. Like, without this I would have no life. It's amazing. I got onto it because when I used to go to the hair salon, they would like use this on my hair or whatever, and it just helps me get my hair like really flat. So I use a little rat tooth comb and then get myself a middle part, and then I think these things are called alligator clips, maybe, but they like look like this. And I don't always use those, but like when my hair is very like volumey today, and I don't like when I do it like flat and slick down, like I don't really want it to have a lot of volume just because like that's not necessary. And I also have like hella flyaways, so what I do is I take just a bunch of this stuff, and it comes with like a little foam like this. It doesn't have to be that specific like brand obviously, but as long as it's like a setting foam, I use this, and then I just slick it down the back, I slick it down the middle. And I feel like I can't be the only girl that this happens to, but I always have one side that's like huge compared to the other, and I don't know why. But like this side, even when I had like this is a wig obviously, but like even when I wore my real hair out, like this side would always lay so flat, and then this side would always be like a freaking like mountain, like chill. And then if that's happening, so like you could see for the side, like that one little half a pump was like completely fine to like get it flat, and this side still has heck of volume in it, so I add more foam, and then I slowly like work it behind my ear, my hair. Okay, I'm gonna do one more round of foam, and then I have like a little scarf with me that I'm just gonna use to tie my hair down. I was going to use the alligator clips, but I forgot I had my scarf like right there. So I'm just going to use my scarf instead. I feel like the alligator clips are really good when you have like crazy flyaways, but when you have like volume on the sides, I feel like nothing beats just like tying it down with a scarf, even if it's for like 10-20 minutes. Like, it just makes it very flat, which is what I like. So I'm going to do one more one more pump, and then I'll put my scarf on. I got this little bad boy from Forever 21. It was in one of my more recent videos. I did a haul. But I love this thing. It's so freaking cute. And then what I also do is like towards the end of when I'm doing my makeup, I will turn my flat iron on, because obviously I'm tying it like here, like there's gonna be like a little bit of like a dent there or whatever. So I use a flat iron at the end to get rid of that. But that's it for like the hair portion of this video. Well, for right now. And then I think the next part of the video I'm just gonna do like a fast forward, because I really want to watch my documentary. Like, I'm just gonna do a voiceover and stuff. But I'm just going to do my makeup. I don't know what kind of look I'm going to do yet, but I guess we'll just figure it out. And let's get into the makeup portion. so that is it for today's little makeup sesh. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Both my most used socials are linked down below, my Instagram and my Twitter. If you guys have any video suggestions, feel free to leave those commented down below or DM me on any one of those like social media, whatever's easier for you. I don't really care. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.